All right, Marvin, so walking into the kitchen, we're gonna keep the pantry. This whole wall's coming down. We're gonna put an island, probably 8 foot by 2 foot here. We're gonna apply the sink into it. And then we're gonna bring in the refrigerator over to this wall, probably by this plug-in. Put some floating shelves here, and then toppers and bottoms. From this wall over, so about 18 to 19 feet of cabinets here. And that's pretty much it. I think we're gonna go with like a gray theme cabinet with maybe like a white base quartz with the gray veining, and we should be good to go.